this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, we've got one with a cow on it, which means it's beef, and it's Mr. Noodles by Pran. Yes, and it's beef. And it's from Bangladesh. So let's get this party started. It's going to be a beef party, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe one of these days soon we'll have a seafood party. I like seafood parties. But it's a beef party right now. So here is our noodle in our liquid. And here's our timer for 3 minutes. And there we go. So yeah, still yucky outside, still cold, but I think I'm just gonna blast through these reviews and get the hell out the door and go walk around a whole bunch. That's my plan. And yeah, it's Monday. Monday. I kind of have a plan also. I think this will be review 4,469? Yeah, 4469. I would like to get, before the new year, up to review 4,500. That's gonna, let's see, today is the 5th. So if I've got to do 30 more, that's an average of like, what, 3 or 4 a day? No, can't be that many. I'll be at 4471, so I'll have 29 to do in 26 days. Oh, I can pull that off. I can do it. Oh, you're supposed to take the noodle block and break it into 4 pieces. I'm just going to use kitchen scissors real quick. There. The snip has snipped. I really don't understand. Some places, some companies in their directions want you to break it into 4 pieces. Some don't. Marachon used to. And at the end of the Marachon one, they want you to stir the seasoning in for 1 full minute. I think both of these things have to do with releasing gluten and causing the broth to get a little bit fuller. I asked Marachon. I still haven't gotten an answer yet from their R&D. Yeah, but you know we will eventually in the new year. My guess is we're about done here, huh? Did it turn off? I can't even read it. I'm so blind. Wow. I wonder if this thing is out of juice. Well, no fear. I just have to plug it in. See, it's rechargeable, folks. There. So it'll hang out there for the rest of the show. And this is definitely done. So what do we got here? It sucks up the broth. That's what I was wondering. It's not very soupy at all. I don't remember it being so non-soupy though. So here's the oil sachet. It's a seasoned oil. Probably onion in there. And then we've got a broth sachet. So this is our Bangladesh beef flavor seasoning. And some classical music to go along with it. It's like a side dish style, especially with that cow. It screams it, but here's what we got. Sometimes you see a picture on a package, you go like, oh, this is going to be that kind of noodle. Okay. Like you could see this going alongside a steak, you know. Cheers. Yeah, really not much broth. And really not like beef. It's just kind of got an interesting flavor. I will call that interesting flavor. I'm gonna have to use that bowl because there's no broth. That bowl. The brothless bowl. Yeah, there's really not a lot there. So let's add some beef. And some spring onion. Oh. And some sesame seed. I really don't know what else to do. I could have added some egg, I suppose, but it just didn't occur to me, I'll be honest. Crushed red pepper, yeah, for our beefishness. That is crushed, yeah, that's crushed. Well, let's do what we do on instant noodle time for recipes happiness go. Here we are. Alright, so there we are. The next one you're going to see is one that was sent by a fella named Keon. This is from Brazil. It's crazy. Like, nice people will think of me when they go on these amazing vacations and stuff and pick me up noodles. It's just like, dude, cool. This is Predilecto with their Preha? I don't know. Preha, Praja, I don't know. But it's sabor carne, ramen sabor carne. So it's a beef. So I got more beef. Anyways, This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Like, subscribe, be a happy person, and bye-bye.